Xin Chào and welcome to our Hanoi vlog. We flew from Manila around 12 midnight and arrived at Noi Bai International Airport at around 2:30 a.m. Vietnam time. Nag-book kami agad guys ng Grab going to our accommodation which cost us 380k VND. By the way guys, ang accommodation namin ay Vic Homestay located near Old Quarter. Nag-freshen up lang kami guys and nag-rest muna. Today is our official first day. Again, I am with MM and my sister, Linlin.
Hi guys!
Now it's 10 a.m. Hindi kami masyado nag-early guys kasi nga sobrang pagod sa...
Pagoda kanina kasi late na kami dumating.
Delay pa yung flight namin. So for today guys, our first agenda will be the St. Joseph's Cathedral. Try namin guys na
Dito tayo.
maglakad lang papunta doon. Naglalakad na kami ngayon papuntang St. Joseph's Cathedral. Yung homestay kasi namin guys, malayo siya sa Old Quarter. Kasi last minute na na-change yung booking namin. Supposed to be sa Old Quarter kami magstay. So far guys, yung weather mainit na. Akala namin kanina maulan.
Yes. Kasi kanina, madaling araw, pagdating namin, umulan siya guys.
Yes.
Tapos pag-check ko sa weather, cloudy daw yung weather today. Pero thank God,
Mainit na.
nagpakita naman si Mr. Sun.
Yes, it's April so it's summer. This is St. Joseph's Cathedral. So it's an old church. Where siya? Notre Dame, no? Itong ban ni Mama Xin Chao guys, sikat din ito siya. Pinapilahan. Yung in-order namin is yung number 1, which is ban mi tap cam or bread with sausage, pork, egg, and pate. It's 35,000 per piece. So, bumili kami dalawa ni Linlin. Kasi si MM, onigiri lang yung sa kanya. Masarap guys. Yung bread kasi manipis siya, hindi siya makapal. Mas easier siya nakainin. Tapos mas malasa. 48 guys yung 30 minutes na pila namin. Guys, we're now going to Kong Cafe. Nasa harapan lang din kasi siya ng St. Joseph Cathedral. This is Kong Cafe guys. They're famous for their coconut coffee. Kong Cafe. Wow. Guys, wala nang available seats sa baba. So, sinabihan kami na sa taas na. Tapos sa taas na lang din order.
Saka now,
Imuha. Now, Yemoy. And 1 coconut coffee. Guys, andito na yung order namin from Kong. This one is coffee with salted caramel. Yung kay MM guys is coffee with condensed milk. Kay Linlin yung sikat nila ng coffee with coconut. So ito try natin itong mga coffee nila guys. So far masarap yung kanilang coconut coffee tapos yung salted din, masarap din. So ito guys yung ganyan sa second floor. Ito yung St. Joseph's Cathedral. Yan yung background. Guys, we're now going to Tamvi. So, I messaged their Instagram account, guys. Nagpa-reserve kami doon for lunch. So, yung time is 12:30 to 12:45. Yun yung Tamvi restaurant. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng Grab namin, guys. Sobrang mura siya. From St. Joseph to Tamvi, mga 29,000 lang. So, I think nasa mga 50 or 60 pesos lang siya. This one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Guys, we're currently here at Tamvi. So, it's good na nagpa-reserve tayo guys kasi yung daming tao. So, we'll order the Vietnamese caramelized pork and eggs. Para siyang humba guys, yung sa Bisaya. Then,
Order tani.
fish.
Second.
Ah. Sabi mo mo sa?
Second. Unsan mo daw? The second man na. Asa yung ano?
Braised pork with egg. This is the spring roll. This one is the chicken with fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Then, ito yung
Chayote.
chayote leaves. I recommend to ng staff dito.
Lord, thank you for this food. Bless this food. In Jesus' name.
Yung total bill namin dito sa Tamvi is 812,000. Medyo mahal siya guys kasi Michelin restaurant to. Pero sulit. And I recommend guys dito sa Tamvi.
1,160.
Okay. Yun yung exact amount. Ito na yung pinakamahal namin na lunch guys. Pero sulit no?
Masarap yung, for me, masarap yung fried spring rolls. Tsaka yung chicken, yung fried chicken with fish sauce.
Sila may.
For me, ito, favorite ko to, itong,
Chayote.
oo, yung spring rolls, of course.
We're going to One Chem Lake, guys. So we just booked a
Grab from Tamvi.
to One Chem Lake. Then mag-picture muna kami sa iconic building doon kasi
Yung shark jaw.
kasi under
Demolition na siya.
demolition na siya.
Here sa Juan Chem Lake, and this building behind me sa famous landmark. Kaya lang guys, nung April 20, nag-start na sila ng demolition. Sayang.
Nag-start sila
Demolition.
mag-demolish last April 20.
So, yung tawag nito guys is Shark Jaw Building kasi para siyang shark jaw yung architecture niya.
Buo pa siya pero pangit na siya tingnan.
Oo. Ang dami pang tourist guys na nagpapapicture. So, that's Juan Chem Lake actually. Yun ay may makikita tayong mga tourist bus. Wala na yung beauty ng building. Sayang. Guys, this is the famous Juan Chem Lake.
Usapan na lang itong ano ko.
So, Papunta kami ng Ngok Song. Hello mga anak ni Ambu. This is the Ngokson temple, guys. We're going inside the temple. 50,000. 50,000 each.
$50,000.
Thank you. So, nasa gitna siya, guys, ng One Kem Lake. Guys, we're here at our next stop, the Hwalo Prison. So, from Ngoksong Temple to here, nag-grab kami. 23,000 yung aming nabayaran. Napakamura na nun, guys. Tapos mga 10 minutes lang naman na ride from the temple.
Kukuha kami ng audio guide. Saka yung may entrance fee dito, guys. Update na lang namin kayo kung magkano.
Again, this is Hwalo Prison Relic.
Include nyo to sa itinerary nyo, guys, kasi maganda yung history nila dito.
Oo. Tsaka mas maganda yung may audio guide para mas maintindihan natin yung
Stories.
significance ng place. Let's go!
Bye, sir.
This way.
Thank you.
Okay, para mas...
Tagpila yun?
100. Apil.
Audio guide when you finish.
Okay.
Here you are.
So guys, we got the audio guide for an additional of 100,000 dong each para mas maintindihan natin. Guys, we're done with Hwalo Prison Relic. Must, I think it's a must visit place para may idea din kayo sa kanilang history. It's very sad actually. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung struggle ng mga prisoners.
Yung bigat sa feeling, guys, pagpasok mo sa prison cell ng mga
Inmates. It was built by French occupants kasi yung sumakop sa kanila before dito sa Hanoi. So, parang ang eerie ng feeling. Especially nung sa mga dungeon na mga part na. So now guys, we're going to Train Street. It's already 4 p.m. guys, and from Hwalo Prison, chinek namin, nasa mga 700 meters lang naman siya. So, kaya lang na lakarin.
This is the train tracks. Madaming tumatambay dito guys pag hapon. Tapos, pag may dumanaan na train, yun yung parang highlight. Tapos maraming mga cafes dito sa gilid. So, maghahanap kami ng cafe guys para tumambay. Asalin? Guys, naka-settle na kami dito sa Train Street.
Malay mo, mag-beer na.
Sa isang cafe. At umorder muna kami guys ng juice tsaka shake. It's 5 p.m. guys, pero yung train daw ay dadaan dito ng 7 p.m. pa. So, hintayin na lang namin. Mga 2 hours pa kaming tatambay dito. Kasi sayang din naman.
Tambay to, okay. Gaboy pa ko.
Yes. Here's Linlin. So, nagpictorial na kami kanina dito sa train tracks. Sana earlier yung train. Hindi kasi namin na-check yung schedule.
Nilakad lang namin from Walo Prison hanggang dito sa Train Street. Nag-overheat kami.
Pagod yung mga tita nyo. Guys, the train is now coming. It's actually 7:30. Guys, dumaan na nga yung train, mga 7:30. Now we are going to Faten for dinner. Maliit lang pala na train. Mas mahaba yung kanina. Train! Kanina, train! Derira! Gani! Grabe ka gubot. Guys, you're in Vietnam. Pag nakikita mong ang gulo-gulo nitong mga motor dito. Ganito talaga sa kanila, guys. Ewan ko kung yung mga traffic rules ba sila. Super gulo talaga. We are now here guys sa Pha Tan Lai Kok Su. I'm not sure how to pronounce, but this is a Michelin guide. Here we are lining up. You know, it's good if may pila. So, we took a grab car guys from Train Street. 33,000 yung nabayaran namin. Sobrang chaotic lang kanina doon sa Train Street. Daming tao guys. Sikat kasi ito sila. Guys, after 5 minutes naman ng pagpila ay nakapasok na kami dito sa Faten. Here. Tapos nag-order na kami, guys. Yung choices nila. Ito yung choices nila, guys. Half done beef, well done beef, puro beef. So yung in-order namin is tatlong well done beef. Si MM hindi to siya pala kain ng beef.
Walang choice.
Walang choice. Kasi fa lahat dito. Ito na yung well done beef. Fa.
Really?
Guys, masarap. Tapos ang lambot ng rice noodles nila. Then masarap yung meat.
Pero, ang laki-laki ng serving niya. Super laki ng serving, guys. Parang good for two. If sakto ka lang kumain.
Sarap. How is it?
10 over 10. Ang sarap, promise.
Tapos yung beef, super malambot.
Yeah.
Cooking na beef siya.
Guys, masarap dito. No wonder na nasa ano siya, Michelin. Yung meat talaga yung nagdala kasi sobrang nipis. Parang hindi mo mafe-feel na beef siya. Tapos, sobrang mura lang, 65,000. So, around mga 120 or 130 plus lang siya. Tapos, ang laki pa ng serving nila. Recommend?
Recommend mo? Pare-recommend ko siya sa mga taong mahilig sa pho. Pero for me, okay naman siya, pero hindi lang talaga ako mahilig sa beef or sa ganitong mga klaseng soup, especially noodles, kasi mahilig ako sa rice. I want the rice.
I think same din. Yung big fan ka ng mga gantong mga noodles, ganyan, o soup, ganyan. Yung beef, ang sarap, as in. Overall, okay lang din.
Guys, nandito kami ulit sa St. Joseph Cathedral. Kasi ang ganda niya pala paggabi, oh. So, galing kami sa Faten, tapos babalik kami ng walking distance lang siya, tapos babalik kami ng Kong Cafe. Kasi magkakape kami ulit. Magkape ka, Len? Again, no. Yeah.
Labad.
Kakape kami ulit, guys. Supposed to be, guys, pupunta kami ng Cafe Gyang for egg coffee. Kaya lang, parang nalalayuan na kami. So, sa Kong na lang kami ulit. Tapos, uwi na. Kasi it's 8:45 na din. Mas early pa kami bukas.
So we're back here in Kong Cafe. Order naman kami ulit. This is our second coffee of the day. Kasi guys, malapit lang yung kinainan namin, yung Faten. So walking distance lang siya. Tapos nagpicture kami ulit sa St. Joseph kasi ang ganda ng lights. Then yun lang guys, tambay muna kami dito. Tapos uwi na mamaya.
One this, small one.
Big one?
Yeah.
Okay. Soft cream. Large size. Small size.
Thank you.
Here's our coffee, guys. So I ordered the 16 ounce, then si Gigi yung 14 ounce. So after this one, guys, so uwi na kami. Bibili muna kami ng water and food for breakfast sa Circle K, yung convenience store nila dito. Kasi tomorrow early yung alis namin. Pupunta kami ng Halong Bay. So binook namin yung activity namin from Klook. So whole day yung activity namin. Baka late night na kami makabalik dito sa Hanoi. So mag-update naman kami bukas, guys, sa mga ganaps namin.
Guys, quick room tour muna tayo. Yung place na nabook namin, guys, is from Airbnb. Name niya is Vic Homestay. So, marami siya actually, guys, na mga rooms dito para siyang apartment. And we booked this one, guys, for 4 days and 3 nights for around 4,600. Yun na yung total na bill namin. So, ito siya. Sobrang aesthetic ng place, guys, actually. Tapos mura na yun siya, guys, ha, for 4 days and 3 nights. So yung nakalagay, guys, sa description is can fit up to 4 people. So ito yung bed, guys, yun yung main bed. Kami dalawa ni MM dyan. Tapos yung sister ko, si Linlin, dyan naman siya sa bed sa floor. Tapos may pa-sofa. Then
Good morning.
sorry sa medyo magulo pa, guys. Then ito, guys, may TV. May table and chair naman. Tapos nagpo-provide din sila ng towel everyday. Tapos may fridge na yan siya. Ito yung sink. Tapos yung CR, guys, maganda naman at malinis. Malaki din. May bidet din sila, guys. Yun yung importante. Yan siya. So far, maganda yung place, guys, kasi peaceful din siya. Medyo malayo lang siya sa Old Quarter. Need pa namin na mag-grab. Pero around mga 5 minutes lang naman from the Old Quarter. Pwede lang siyang lakarin actually kung gugustuhin namin. Guys, we are back here sa aming Airbnb. And it was a really long day. Nauwi kami mga 9:30 na, guys. But
Enjoy naman.
Yeah.
Super enjoy.
akala namin mga 7 PM kami makakauwi.
Kasi guys, malaki naman yung extra time namin. Pero naghintay kami sa train doon sa train street.
Yes, from 4:30
Kasi
to
mga 4
7:30.
natapos na kami sa Relic Prison. Tapos dumiretso kami doon sa train street. So dumating kami doon mga almost mga 4 or 5 something. 4. Tapos yung schedule lang train 7:30 pa. So we decided na maghintay na lang kasi sayang din naman andun na kami.
Yeah.
So that's why, guys. Pero sulit naman yung day. So far, nagawa namin lahat ng itinerary namin. Tapos,
Ang dami naming napuntahan.
super nagustuhan ko yung coffee sa Kong Cafe. So hopefully, makakatry kami sa sa ibang mga coffee.
Especially sa Cafe Gyang for the egg
shops.
coffee.
Yes. For the egg coffee naman. Kasi sa Kong Cafe, coconut coffee yung bestseller nila or yung sikat sa kanila. Pero yung favorite namin ni Gigi is yung
Salted cream.
Salted cream, no? Yung may coffee, condensed, and salted caramel.
Salted
Caramel,
cream.
no? Salted cream. Super nice, guys.
Yun lang, guys, for our day 1.
So, tomorrow, early na naman kami.
May whole day kami na Klook tour.
Kasi
So,
may booking kami sa Klook tomorrow.
abangan nyo bukas.
Papuntang!
Abangan nyo. See you in our next vlog.
Update you sa aming mga ganap, sa mga
Susunod na araw.
upcoming days pa namin dito sa Hanoi.
Ano pala, guys, 7 days kami dito sa, yung full day namin is 7 days.
Yes. Babiyahe kami ng Sapat.
The day after tomorrow.
So, mag-stay kami doon ng 3 days and 2 nights. Tapos, balik na naman dito sa Hanoi.
Yes.
To continue our journey.
Bye guys.
Good night!